Mae rheilffyrdd Ffestiniog ag Eryri wedi bod yn rhan o dirwedd Gogledd Cymru ers bron i 200 mlynedd. Gyda newidiadau cyson, mae'n cynrychioli treftadaeth, lleol a cenedlaethol, ac mae e wedi rhannu technoleg ledled y byd. Crewyd y rheilffordd i gysylltu Blaen y Ffestiniog a'r porthladd ym Mhorthmadog, ac mi alluogodd hwn i'r llechi gael ei roi ar draws y byd. Mae gan y rheilffordd hanes arloesol a ddenodd diddordeb byd-eang yn y 4eg ganrif ar 15. Hon oedd y llinell narrow gauge gyntaf i ddefnyddio locomotifau stêm yn ôl yn yr 1860au. Mae'r locomotifau hynny a'r adeiladau a gadwyd i'w cartrefi yn dal i gael ei defnyddio heddiw ac yn rhan bwysig o'r prosiect. Mae ysbryd arloesol y rheilffordd yn parhau hyd at heddiw. Bu bron i ni golli ein rheilffordd pan gaeodd ychydig ar ôl yr ail rhyfel byd. Gyda'r diwydiant llechi yn dirywio, tynnodd locomotif blinedig iawn Princess y tren olaf yn 1946 ac roedd y llinell bron i gyd wedi gadael. Gadawyd llawer iawn o'r offer ar adeiladau. Yn 1954, cychwynodd antur newydd wrth i wirfoddolwyr ceisio dod â'r rheilffordd yn ôl yn fyw. Milltir wrth filltir, cerbyd wrth gerbyd ac adeilad wrth adeilad. Cyflawnwyd heriau enfawr gan gynnwys adeiladu 2.5 milltir o reilffordd newydd o amgylch llyn a orlifodd y llinell. Yn y 90au, adferwyd rheilffordd Eryri hefyd, prosiect dros 20 mlynedd gyda chostau o fwy na 35 miliwn. O ganlyniad i hyn, mi gafwyd rheilffyrdd Ffestiniog ac Eryri ei gyflawni, y llinell Treftadaeth hiraf yn y Deyrnas Unedig. Heddiw, 190 mlynedd ar ôl i'r cwmni rheilffordd gychwyn gyntaf, a bron i 70 mlynedd ar ôl i'r gwaith adfer y llinell gychwyn, rydyn ni'n gryfach nag erioed. Mae gweithrediad y rheilffordd fel atyniad i dwristiaid wedi sicrhau bod yr asedau treftadaeth wedi goroesi. Mae'r rheilffordd yn un o'r atyniadau fwyaf yn Gogledd Cymru, gyda dros 200,000 o ymwelwyr bob blwyddyn. Mae'n gwirfoddolwyr ac yn aelodau ni yn rhan hanfodol o bob dim rydyn ni'n ei wneud yma yn y rheilffordd. Gyda mwy na 700 o wirfoddolwyr a 6,000 o aelodau, cyflawnir mwy na hanner o'r hyn o rydyn ni'n wneud yma yn y rheilffordd drwy help a cymorth ein gwirfoddolwyr. Cafodd ein gwaith yma yn Boston Lodge ei gydnabod yn ddiweddar, wrth i ni dderbyn y gwobr cymdeithas rheilffordd Treftadaeth am gynnal a chadw locomotifau. Rydym wedi ail-ddatblygu ein busnes sawl gwaith dros y blynyddoedd mwyn sicrhau bod gennym gynnig deiniadol i'n ymwelwyr a'n twristiaid. Mae'n cerbydau modern, ein synwyr o le ac ein gwasanaeth cwsmeriaid yn helpu ni i gwahaniaethu ein hun. Yn y blynyddoedd i ddod, byddwn nhw'n gwella ein cynnig ymhellach drwy wneud newid sylweddol yn y ffordd o rydym yn adrodd ein stori treftadaeth, a drwy wneud hynny byddwn nhw'n chwarae ein rhan yn y safle treftadaeth y byd os ydy hynny'n mynd yn ei blaen.
We want to ensure that our railway is in good shape and sustainably so as we approach our 200th anniversary, and so that we're in a position where we can tell our story to future generations, and in doing so help our railway to thrive into the future.
Welcome to Boston Lodge. So what are we going to do in this project? Well, there are 4 interconnected strands, and it starts with building skills of volunteers and staff, and that includes 3 traineeships and workshops ranging from engineering to archive research. Then we're going to tell our story better and give visitors lots of ways to find out about the heritage of the railway and the landscape. And then we're going to do a lot of work here at Boston Lodge that you can see around you, bringing heritage buildings back into workshop space and making the site work better. And finally, volunteers are the lifeblood of our railway, so we're going to be working more with them and with a more diverse range of people, all made possible because of the extra workshop space that we will have. And then underpinning all these 4 strands is building on our links with the local community so they can have pride in and involvement in this amazing heritage.
With generational change, we can feel the history of our railway slipping through our fingers. We want to do something now to capture our stories and make sure that they're shared with future generations. Through our project, we want to foster better relations with the local community. We are a Welsh railway and our history is intertwined for 200 years with the local community. We want to make sure that that continues and that we continue to play our part in the economy and the success of North Wales.
The heritage skills that are so essential to the future of our railway are an important feature of our project. Through the Skills for the Future programme, we work with NLHF to give 20 people an opportunity to learn heritage railway skills. Of these, 11 found jobs in the heritage sector and 2 have gone on to university to study further. Our new project will build on this and give an opportunity to develop skills in areas which mainstream courses do not cater for. Skills essential to the future of our heritage railways. Although much of our heritage is about telling our story, developing skills and giving more opportunity for people to be involved, there is a capital works element to our project too. This focuses on restoring the oldest buildings on Boston Lodge work site. These buildings will then be in good shape to survive another 100 years and have useful roles to play, either as active workshops or as part of a plan to bring new volunteers and visitors to the site. We know that our workshops are fascinating. They are the only workshops that have built steam locomotives in the 19th, 20th and 21st centuries. Normally off limits, we're going to make it possible for visitors to see behind the scenes and learn the history of the workshops. It's not a museum, it's a live operating workshop, and the visit experience that we will give will be unique as a result.
So in summary, our railway has survived by changing with the times and embracing technology. We want to do that again now to make sure that we remain in really good shape for our 200th anniversary.
We will make sure that our team tell our story in a great way.
We will put essential skills in the hands of more people.
Mi fyddwn yn achub ffabric ein gweithdai hanesyddol ac yn ei rhannu hefo'n ymwelwyr mewn ffordd unigryw.
Byddwn yn cynyddu'r nifer o bobl sy'n cymryd rhan gyda phwyslais ar ein cymuned leol a'n gwirfoddolwyr.
The Festiniog and Welsh Highland Railways are a really great family, and with the help of NLHF we'll be able to build on decades of hard work, and rather than that history slipping through our fingers, it can live on for future generations.